everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 that says that your DNS server might be unavailable. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So once you're done with that, close out of here and then attempt to do whatever activity you were having an issue with before, and then hopefully the issue should have been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can attempt to just reset your network settings back to default. So just take note that you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials once your computer restarts after what we're about to do. So make sure you have those credentials nearby. It should be on the back of your router as well, so if you need to jot them down. And then once you have them accessible, you want to open up the search menu. Again, if what I've already showed hasn't worked for you guys or hasn't resolved the problem. So go ahead and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select network and internet on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath advanced network settings and go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, select network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. You're going to get one final prompt. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And you will automatically be signed out within 5 minutes. So go ahead and just close out of here and restart your device. And then hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.